In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your location on YouTube. That is how to change your country on YouTube. So to change your country or to change your location on YouTube, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you log into your YouTube app. So let's log into my YouTube app over here. So once you log into your YouTube app, it's going to take you to this place. So what you want to do on here, you want to look for your YouTube profile icon. So for some of you, you can have it at the top right corner. And for some of you, you can have it at the bottom right corner. So for me here, I have the profile at the bottom right corner. So you just want to look for it and tap on it. So once you tap on it, it will actually take you to this page. So once you arrive on this page, I want you to check the top right corner. If you check the top right corner, you're going to see one settings gear over there. That is the settings icon. I want you to tap on that settings icon. So once you tap on the settings icon, it will take you to this page. So on this page, I want you to tap on general. So once you tap on general, I want you to look down here. So you're going to see location. I want you to tap on that location. As you can see, we have a lot of countries over here. Just want to scroll and look for your country you want to use. So once you see your country, just select on the country and it will be changed successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually change your location on YouTube. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.